How to remove bad odor from kitchen sponges. A stinking sponge is the epitome of revulsion. A damp kitchen sponge is a breeding ground for germs and is possibly one of the germiest objects in your home. When sponges are not properly cleaned and sterilized, they can create cross-contamination, illnesses, and kitchen odors. Here are some of the best strategies for avoiding stinky sponges in order to maintain high levels of hygiene and avoid smells. 1. Vinegar. Plain white vinegar works wonderfully for deodorizing sponges. It's quick and simple, and just a few minutes of soaking time is required. Allow the sponge to soak in vinegar for 5 minutes and then rinse it well with lukewarm or hot water. 2. Boiling water. Simply add a few drops of lemon juice to a pan of boiling water, drop in your sponges, and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Make sure the sponge is dry completely before reusing. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleaning agent that may be used instead of harsh chemicals. Because of its moderate abrasive characteristics, it is a good technique to remove dirt, grime, and smells. Soak the stinky sponges in a mixture of 4 teaspoons baking soda and warm water. Allow the sponges to absorb the solution and soak in it for a few hours. Before using the sponges again, rinse them with warm running water, wring the water out of them, and let them air dry overnight. 4. Dishwasher. The dishwasher is also capable of fully cleaning your kitchen sponges. Simply place it on the top rack and run it through the wash, rinse, and dry cycles. You can use the same dishwashing detergent that you normally use. This can effectively eliminate smells and clean your kitchen sponges of embedded food and grease. 5. Microwave. Microwaving your sponge can eliminate 99% of germs, foodborne bacteria, mold, and yeast. Microwave the sponge for at least 2 minutes on high power, making sure it is completely saturated first. Allow the sponge to cool completely before using again. 6. Sunshine. The sun's UV rays have disinfecting powers. If you leave your kitchen sponges in the sun, they won't smell like mildew and will be completely sanitized. Simply place them in direct sunshine, outside works best, and leave them for several hours to allow the UV rays to eliminate smells and bacteria. Depending on your sponge's substance and how dirty it is, certain treatments will work better than others. Experiment with some of these different cleaning procedures to determine what works best for you and let us know in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.